Hello, everyone. Data Pirates, I know you're behind there, but are you ready? Thank you. I am ready, because this is the last assignment I'll ever submit here at Hult, and I can't wait to be done. For those who are made to do. To me, this is more than a slogan. It's a mindset, a reminder that doing is what got us here, and doing is what will carry us forward. Let's go back to those first weeks. I was still unpacking boxes and figuring out where to buy groceries when the program kicked in full speed. We quickly realized that for every hour in class, there were 8 more hours of SQL and Python waiting for us at home. We were sprinting from day one. Chase's assignments weren't just tasks. They were trials of grit that pushed us beyond our comfort zone. In our business challenges, we tackle real-world problems the market was facing. We leveraged data to predict business behavior, and we used machine learning to analyze and forecast temperature trends for NASA. During our time here, Professor Kornicki transformed us, rewiring our thinking to embrace and interpret the data-driven world around us. Professor Fisher showed us the power of words. Professor Priyanka taught us the language of graphs. And all the other professors gifted us with their unique experiences, expanding our knowledge and understanding far beyond textbooks and case studies. And how to forget, we accepted every challenge with determination and resilience, refusing to slow down or stop. During this master, we learned more than just data science. We struggle. The strict deadlines, the fast-paced classes, the constantly changing teams, each with different culture, personalities, and role, made this a year of incredible growth. But if we are here today, we didn't give up. We kept going. This year, the whole community believed in us when our code didn't run, or when speaking up was hard, and when the job market punched us in the face. We were not alone. We met friends who made us laugh when our model predicted with 5% accuracy, and gave us the strength, and let's be honest, the hope needed to put our head down and turn that 5% into something meaningful. We've all lived different stories this year, but the ending is the same. We are walking across this stage, not just with knowledge, but with momentum. Wherever you go next, remember, we are not made to watch. We are not made to wait. We are Hultians. We are made to do.